So hey guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video we are going to install a VPN for free in our computer. So let's get started. First of all, we need to open Microsoft Store. So let's open it. If you haven't created Microsoft account yet, then you have to create Microsoft account to download apps from uh, Microsoft Store. After creating Microsoft account, just search for Turbo VPN. TURBO Turbo VPN. This is the Turbo VPN. Just click on it and click on install button. The downloading has been started. So there are 20. Here click on yes. So what was I saying that there are 21,000 plus servers in Turbo VPN Windows are waiting for you. There are many servers in Turbo VPN. After installing, we will open Turbo VPN, so wait for it. So Turbo VPN has been installed in our computer, so let's open it. Just close it. So here is the Turbo VPN, so let's open it. The client is starting up, so it takes some times. So just click this button, and after that just click on tap to connect. It will connect the VPN. Connecting, it takes some time. Connected. Back button. Here it is connected. Just if you want to close this, you can close and just minimize it. And now you can use your browser and anything with which you want to use. Just I am using Edge, and we can just visit YouTube. Here YouTube is working, and here if you want to disconnect the VPN, then just click on here and just click this button. So thank you guys for watching this video. We will meet in the another session. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring guys. Thank you guys.